How can you make this kind of stamp on any 3D print that you would like? The reason why I looked into this one was actually because I wanted to print out a Squid Game mask. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's start from scratch here, just make a new project. And so first of all, let's download the mask and some kind of object that you want to use as a stamp. So first of all, let's go into our browser here, and this is just a free Squid Game mask from Thingiverse. We just want this one. So downloading that. Head back to Bambu Studio and drag in the mask here. Alright, so now we want to make a custom stamp for this mask. So let's head back to the browser, and I've found this other one, this Flexi Bear also on Thingiverse. Let's download this one also. Head back to Bambu Studio and find your file and drag this one in also. Alright, so if we start by taking our bear and rotating it 90 degrees counterclockwise here. Maybe in order to see this a little bit better, let's make this bear a white color instead. We can just click over here and choose white color. You can see that if we take the bear and then click the move tool, we can move it all the way over here. So now we want it to intersect the entire area of the mask, and we can do this just by clicking the S for scale tool, and then we can make this a bit deeper. So now you can see it goes through the front here and also goes through the back. So what we need to do in order to make this into a modifier is to firstly merge this one and the helmet, so select both of them. Then you right click on it and you say merge. So now they have become one object. You can see if we select nothing and then select just a mask, both of them are selected at once. Next up is we go into the object mode. I was already here. As standard, you would be on the global mode here, but change it to objects instead. And find your bear. Now you can right click it and you can choose change type. As standard, it's a part, which is basically the same as something you would print on the printer, but you can also select a modifier. Click OK, and the bear has now become a modifier. You can also see it changed color. It's still actually this white one, but in the view here it's just this yellow one. Now if we go back into front view, we can select it, click on the move tool, and let's move it up, maybe to around here. All we have to do now is simply to slice our plate. Alright, that's all it takes. Our design is now part of our helmet here. And of course you can use any shape that you would like. Have fun creating your own, and until next time, see you.